On December 29th, 2023, I released a video on my other channel where this visual glitch occurs.
I don't know what this turned into, but I love it.
Didn't catch it? Let me play it again, zoomed in on my face.
I don't know what this turned into, but I love it.
For reference, the source video is 1080p 60 FPS, both exporting and uploading it with the same values. So what happened here and where did it go wrong? Let's check the source footage.
I don't know what this turned into, but I love it.
Looks fine. Okay, so let's check the exported video.
I don't know what this turned into, but I love it.
Looks fine also. So why only after I upload it to YouTube does this happen? The answer is bitrate. So what is bitrate and why is it making my video look all choppy? Bitrate is pretty much all the video data that you are seeing at a particular moment. The thing is, every minute, 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube, and YouTube servers can only handle so much. So YouTube puts a limit on how many bits per second can be processed within a video you're uploading. Using this chart, we can find the limits YouTube puts on us based on resolution and frame rate. As previously mentioned, my video was 1080p 60 frames per second, meaning my bitrate was capped at 15 megabits per second. If we look back at my video, we can see a lot is happening. There's lots of flashing colors and movement. It's too many bits for YouTube to process. But if you look at my upload of that same video today, those visual glitches and artifacts aren't present. So what did I do to fix it? Simple, upscaling. If we go back to our chart, we can see that 4K 60 FPS video allows for 66 to 85 megabits per second, which is a lot more than the 15 megabits per second for 1080p. This is because for a video of that size to even look remotely good on YouTube, they need to process more bits per second. So by uploading my 1080p video as 4K, I essentially tricked YouTube into processing more bits per second, and now I use that trick on every video. But upscaling does have some drawbacks. Many editing softwares don't like when you export in a different resolution than your source footage, causing many glitches and artifacts in your video, which pretty much defeats the whole purpose of upscaling in the first place. This is rare, but it is something that does happen, and has happened to me before. Another issue, which is really the biggest for me, is file size. When you're exporting in 4K, you're doubling your file size, which is not only going to take up more space on your hard drive, but it's also going to take a lot longer to upload to YouTube. I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to be spending hundreds of dollars on hard drives just to work around this issue that YouTube has with bitrate. So this is an official request to YouTube to give us an optional increase in bitrate for the creators who need it. For example, in the upload window, there should be an option to upload with a higher bitrate. I understand that automatically increasing the bitrate for everybody may put a lot of strain on their servers and may be costly for YouTube. So I think my proposal to make it simply an option is a really good one. I wouldn't even mind if YouTube lowered the automatic bitrate for every single video, as long as they give us the option to increase it. But let me know what you think of this issue in the comments, and if you want a tutorial on how to upscale your videos in your editing software, in exactly 1 week I will be uploading a video showing how to do that in every major editing software. I hope my temporary solution was helpful to you, and I hope even more that YouTube makes a change to this automatic bitrate in the future so creators like me don't have to go through this whole annoying process again. Thanks.